Hi everyone, this is Kenneth Wong, Senior Editor for Digital Engineering 24/7, DE 24/7. The Autodesk Gallery in San Francisco's historic One Market building was shuttered during the pandemic, but it's planning to reopen next month with guided tours. Being from San Francisco, I got an early look at the place courtesy of Autodesk before it opens to the public, so here's a sneak peek. Autodesk software and services cater to three major industry sectors: media and entertainment, architecture and construction, and product design. So the exhibits in the gallery reflect that as well. This is a prototype of a multi-terrain vehicle called Elevate. It can transform itself from a car into a four-legged climbing vehicle. It's from Hyundai Motor Group's New Horizons studio. The concept began with a simple question: what if a car can walk? A car that can walk has some practical purposes. In some rugged terrains where the wheels are no longer operable, or in urban areas with ladders and stairs, Elevate can be deployed for emergency rescue scenarios. This looks like a piece of fossil, but it's actually a 3D printed swing arm that holds the wheels of an electric bike called Lightning from Lightning Motorcycle. The part is designed in Autodesk Fusion 360. The odd-looking topology is known as generative design, driven by algorithms and automatically generated by the software to meet the user's safety requirements, anticipated stress loads, and choice of materials. Because it's not a solid piece of geometry, this swing arm saves a lot of weight, which adds to the aerodynamics of the bike. But it is still strong enough to withstand the necessary stress, according to the bike developers. The exhibit at the gallery allows you to use a tablet and an augmented reality app to view the airflows around the bike based on CFD software. The airflows are visible from different angles as you walk around the bike. The bike on display is mounted on a stage, so it won't move. But in the augmented reality app, you can virtually drive the bike, change its speed, and see what the aerodynamics looks like in response. A similar augmented reality mobile app, when applied to architecture, reveals the CO2 level, energy usage, and other building information, which gives you a lot of insights into the maintenance costs as well as the residents' comfort. You might call this an architectural digital twin powered by sensors collecting and transmitting real-time data to the AR app. The simulation includes sound effects. Listen to the nighttime sound with the cicadas. Also on display is this interplanetary lander designed in Autodesk Fusion 360. It's also another example of the use of generative design. The lander's legs and joints, which looks like HR Giga's concepts, were based on the software's topology optimization tools. The engineer's original goal was to reduce the mass by 10%, but the final design resulted in a 35% mass reduction, according to Autodesk's case study. More exhibits will be available for you to check out once the gallery reopens in March. For DE 24/7, this is Kenneth Wong.